Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 12 ways on how to make extra income as a student. And some of these tips is what I have tried and applied and it worked out for me. Who knows, it might work out for you as well, so try it. Without any further waste of time, let me hit straight to our number one. The first one is tutoring. You can become a tutor, if you are a first year student, you can help out by reaching and helping those matriculants. If you're good at a very particular subject, if you're in your second year of study, of course you can help out to the first years on that one particular module of which you are very great at. You can help them out, so forth, bro. If you're doing your fourth year, you can help like the first, second, third year students, bro. And that's nice. And remember, other institutions there are departments that deal solely with tutoring. You can apply for such, and also you can run your own thing solo. You can run your own thing initiatively. You can start your own tutoring initiative at the campus. That is allowed if you are very good at, and of course you are going to be of great help to other students, so some other students might find value in what you are going to be doing with them. The second one is residence committee. If you are gonna be staying at rest, rather, you can apply to be an RA, residence assistant or residence committee, whereby you are working with other team members, and that will help you because you will gain experience on how to deal with people. You're gonna be dealing with your peers, you're gonna be dealing with the first year, second years, or seniors. You are gonna be dealing with different people of different attitudes. They think differently, they do things differently, they are all different altogether. Therefore, it's gonna be a great experience, and of course it comes with money. You're gonna be earning. That's nice. The third one is peer mentoring. You have to apply to become a peer mentor. Actually, that is whereby now you're gonna be guiding the first years. Now you're gonna be assigned a particular group of students, those who arrive in the first years for the entire year. You're gonna be taking them through around the campus, and you're gonna be following the guideline of course from the department. And remember, varsities do vary, but then I know with UFS, University of the Free State, they do have such a program, and it's a great opportunity. It gives you an experience and skills, yet you're getting paid for that. The fourth one, you can sell t-shirts, man. Sell t-shirts, sell bucket hats, sell hoodies, sell caps, sell hats. You can start your own brand. You have to come up with a unique brand, unique logo that is gonna be appealing to the people. Or you can just come up with a unique brand, so to say, and then sell it. Who knows, it might become the next big thing. So don't sleep on yourself, and that is workable, that is doable, trust me, I know. Then the fifth one, you can sell second-hand books. If you are a senior, of course, people those who are graduating, you can approach them. Hey guys, don't you have your old textbook that you would like to sell? Or you can consult them via the unofficial university's Facebook page or groups. So you can just gather those books and sell them. Of course, they're gonna get your share, and they're gonna get their other share, of course, because the books belongs to them. That's another way of making money. So, and it is making money, whereas you are helping someone else. So it's a great way of making money, so to say. Number 6, you can become a makeup artist. ladies, amantombazana athanda ubuhle, yeah, anabathanda ubuhle jolo kabanyana jo, you can become a makeup artist, and become great at it. Do it. You can watch YouTube tutorials on how to go about it, then rock it, and you're gonna get more clients. You're gonna have your proper clients. Number 7, become a photographer. Become a photographer. I for one, I was a photographer. I used to carry my camera around the campus, and I would take people pics and they will give me money. That's another thing. You take people's pics, they pay you. People are going to be graduating now in April, and I have my camera. Of course, I'm going to be graduating as well, but of course, when I get off that stage, off that podium, the first thing that will be lingering on my mind is to go to my setup, go make money. I'm going to go make money there. See, become a photographer. You can buy yourself a very user-friendly camera, but proper camera, so that you can take pictures. You can even do street photography across around or within the campus. Come on. Number 8, edit other people's video. If you are very great, or if you are very good at like video editing, you can help out. You can help out by editing other people's video. Like for instance, myself, like sometimes I feel like, okay, editing is a lot of work. It is a lot of work, and like if I can get an extra hand, I wouldn't mind like paying. Provided like you're gonna do a greater work than what I do now, because like I'm very great. You can watch my videos there, like I'm very good at editing. That's the skill I've learned. That's the skill I've come to grasp or acquire, or like to absorb within the time doing YouTube videos, and it helped. It works out. Number 9, type assignments. Students are lazy. Type assignments so that they can pay you. It's either you type or you write. Your research can do 3 things under like assignments. You type, you research, or you write. So yeah, students will pay you for that. You need to get your facts straight. You need to get your plagiarism checked. Then all is well. They are gonna pay you for that. Students are lazy, bro. That's another way. That's another form of like the easiest form of making money. Honestly, I won't lie to you. I have tried, I have used it. It has given me money. It has sustained me. Yeah. Fair enough. Number 10, sneaker wash. Sneaker wash, take wash for fair too. Like yeah, I'm a student. They vilap. I have vilap. I'm a student. Njengoba vilap ke I'm a student. Umsebenzi wakho ukuthi bawashela amateki. Yabo? Bahlatshwe iteki mfana ka bawapatala. But you have to ensure, okay, good card. You have to ensure that you're gonna, be careful, because like now if they get stolen while they are within your care, now it's a problem. You're gonna be forced to replace or buy them. So you have to watch out when it comes to that. And number 11, hairdresser. Ladies, hairdresser. If you are very good with your hands, if you know how to work with hairs, capitalize on them. There is money in that field. There is money in that department. There is money in that line of artistry. Capitalize on it. Number 12, laundromat. Students are lazy. You don't have to touch anything by your hands. You just like pick up the baggage or whatever luggage. You bring it. You put it into the washing machine. Then you take a good care of it. And you return it fully clean and well. So like that's another way of making money, and I believe this was so helpful. And if indeed it was helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that like button, and comment other forms or ways that you can make money as a student, or that you use to make money as a student, so that we can help other students, so that we can help other people who are gonna be viewing this video. I highly appreciate the time, and thank you so much. Peace out.